Mother Nature is a vast classroom that provides numerous lessons for reflection and discovery. It serves as a source of inspiration, motivation, recreation, education, research, and food. Over time, humans have learned from nature through contemplation, discoveries, and inventions. Scientists and inventors study nature's characteristics to create innovative technologies and products. If you are ready to explore how nature has shaped modern technology and how it continues to inspire the future, stay tuned. Let's get started. Let's first discuss about flight. Inventors research bird flight in order to fly high above the oceans, mountains, plains, and deserts. Stringfellow created a small, unmanned glider in Britain in 1848. Later, the gliding flight of an albatross, a sea bird, inspired the inventors in 1856 to construct a glider. Later on, in 1903, the Wright brothers were inspired to create the first powered airplane, Kitty Hawk. With new technologies, we can now observe airplanes of many types soaring in the sky and resembling birds. Submarine is another innovation inspired by sea whales. Scientists studied whales and came up with the notion of inventing a submarine to navigate beneath the huge oceans. The submarines are designed to resemble whales. Submarines, like whales, use their sonar systems to track food and avoid obstacles. This ability to measure distances between targets has also been integrated into submarines to allow for maneuvers underwater. Submarines, like whales, can stay in the water for extended periods. Among these, Japan innovated bullet train, inspired by a bird known as kingfisher. Scientists research birds and develop bullet trains with beak-like fronts like those of kingfishers. They discovered that birds, like the kingfisher, use their beaked fronts to reduce air pressure when flying or diving into water. Using this concept, innovators constructed current trains with a beak-like pointed design at the front to reduce air pressure and noise while traveling. This strategy has also been employed for aircraft that operate at higher altitudes. Sonar is another technology that uses sound waves to detect objects is inspired by rats and dolphins. Bats and dolphins use echolocation and sonar systems, respectively, to navigate and find food. Bats can fly at night without illumination using echolocation. Using this phenomenon, scientists created robots that use sensors to move without colliding with anything. This also resulted in the development of devices and detectors that aid in the detection of items on walkways and routes, particularly for blind persons, such as the ultracane, which vibrates as it approaches any object. The sinking of the Titanic inspired further research and development of this underwater detection system. Today, the sonar system is used in many undertakings, such as underwater surveys and pipeline inspections to detect damage or blockage, etc. The idea of flipper is also copied by nature. Duck is the inspiration. Ducks use their webbed feet to swim across water. Inventors developed the concept of flippers and fins after studying the duck's webbed feet. So, to dive in the sea, divers use flippers to propel themselves forward. These flippers function as oars in boats for movement. Flippers and oars allow divers and boat riders to change direction in the water, improving efficiency while consuming less oxygen. Next is cat eyes. Are you familiar with bike safety lights that reflect light at night, or street signs and road markings that illuminate when exposed to a car's headlights? These features make driving at night considerably safer for everyone. Yet few people realize we should thank our friendly feline neighbors for them. Many nocturnal carnivores, such as cats and dogs, have a specialized pigment called tapetum lucidum in their eyes. This pigment reflects light at night, which is a very essential quality if you're a feline and need good night vision to find your prey. As you might expect, scientists developed a very similar pigment in the lab, and we can now paint it on almost everything. So here we are concluding. Hope you enjoy today's video. We'll meet in next video. Subscribe so you don't miss upcoming informative videos. Bye.